it saying though?
What's she saying?
I'd be obliged if you step outside. This fly guy is awaiting love making. The passenger side of my ride is vacated.
It's over 3 cars. It's lighting up.
Yeah, I'm good.
What is red? Green?
Yeah, this fire.
Blue. It says 3 cars and it's
Yeah, this fire. Oh, jeez.
Oh, this one is going faster.
Oh, yeah, it's dark. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely dark.
This one says 7 cars. Blue, yellow, white. Oh, that's like 7 cars. I like this one. It goes like almost to 10. 7 cars.
It's flipping a lot of colors.
Yeah, look at this. It's 7 colors.
Okay, yeah.
And it's
That's sweet. These is cold.
this one is my favorite.
These gold wings, man. Those are fire.
See them, Joe? They all over the bike.
Yeah. Well, hey.
Now there's lights all over the bike, so when we go somewhere on it, we'll see
Right
everything.
here.
If we pass by somebody who doesn't have lights, they're gonna be like, oh, what's that? I have a bike right there. It's a train car. They're gonna think they can actually buy a bike like this at this bike store. But you can't. You gotta buy a bike, then the next, or you can buy the lights in that bike.
Oh yeah.
You can count.
Where should you say they at? Where else did you say that the gold pieces are?
Back.
Right here.
Let me see if we can get up in there. Okay. Oh yeah, there you go.
There's some gold pieces back here. There's some gold pieces back here.
Yes. So,
Right here. The next time we ride this bike, we have to, and I mean we have to do the 7 colors.
We're gonna see how this footage come out. It's some night footage.
It's shiny and bright. Congratulations,
right
Dad.
up in there, too. So I take the
Yeah.
bags off. That's all.
Congratulations, Dad.
Thank you, Mike.
You have just made the most amazing bike that anyone in the family has ever seen.
Yeah, I like that.
Try to win this. Try it on like.
Hey, look how it's coming out, man.
Hey, this shit look good.
Yeah, this shit looking crazy. Ain't it? This shit looking crazy. Yeah. And if somebody put the editing on that.
First off, I gotta say I'm not your average type. Why don't you get to know me better for the rest of the night?
I wanna know if I can spend the night with you. I really like how you do your thing.
It don't make somebody a player cause they cheat on their wife. Nah, being a player is more like a way of life. I'm the chick magnet.
I don't know what it